Hi, I'm Alex, a freshman Yeager scholar at Marshall University.
And I'm Latrey, also a freshman Yeager scholar.
A year ago, we were in your shoes, stressing about our applications to the Yeager program. But we're here as living proof that you can make it through the application, the rigorous interviews, and finalist weekend, and make it out the other side as Yeager scholars.
Now we know that senioritis has probably set in and you're probably very stressed, as we were. But we're here to give you a few tips regarding the application process.
First, a fairly obvious one. Fill out your own application.
We know it can be very tempting to allow your parents or your college counselors to fill it out for you, but a lot of the interview questions come from your application, so it's probably best you know what's on it.
Speaking of questions on your applications, you'll want to list activities, community service events, and clubs that you actually know and can talk about. If you went to one club meeting your freshman year, I promise it's not worth listing.
While deciding what to include in the application, make sure you keep an eye on the calendar. The deadline is December 15th, so please don't procrastinate.
Yeah, you'll want plenty of time to look over all the questions, especially the essays. That being said, don't stress too much about the timeline. What's really important is that you give good, thoughtful answers.
Now that we've told you all about your portion of the application process, let's talk about your letters of reference.
You'll need 3, 2 of which are academic. For these, you'll want to ask people who know you to write about you.
If you only see a teacher sometimes in the hallways and you've never actually had their class, they're probably not the best person to ask about your letters of recommendation.
Most importantly, your application is a chance to show who you are. That's all the people reviewing your application really want to know.
So even though it's stressful, remember we were in your shoes around this time last year, and we made it through.
You can too!